struggled with this question when I was doing this. It took me, I made a mistake over and over to figure out why I was getting it wrong. So let's draw a football field, right? And they're giving us information. We know that the width of a football field is 53 yards. I didn't know that, by the way. And I announced for the football team. You would have thought, right? And then we'll just put this as the 50-yard line. Because it says a kicker punts a football from the very center of the field. Boom, right? The very middle of the field. To the sideline, some yards downfield. Not 50, it's 37 in this case. So he's going to go a gap of 37 yards. So he's kicking it to the sideline. That's from here to here. So your vector is in this direction. What's the magnitude of the net displacement? So if you know this distance right here, and you know this distance, it's 37 obviously. This is not 53 because this is the full width. It's in the exact center. You can find the magnitude. So part A is going to just be a Pythagorean theorem. For part B, what's the angle between, this is one I struggle with, what's the angle between the direction of the net displacement and the 50-yard line of the field? All right, so what they're asking for, actually I have to redo it here because I did the problem. Let me look here. I got confused. I was thinking they were asking for this angle, but they're saying from this to here, so they actually want this angle here. So you want to find out what this angle is here. Note, you know these numbers and you can find the angle. Now, warning, when you're trying to find an angle, it's a little tricky. You're going to use what's called the arc something, sine, cosine, or tangent, whichever you want to use. Or on your calculator, it'll be possibly sine -1. So if sine angle equals opposite over adjacent, for example, what you would do, if I know the, I'm just going to do a little math, these are not the numbers. If this was 6 and this was 9, what I would type into my calculator is sine -1, parentheses, 6 divided by 9 equals, and then it will give me the angle. Now again, warning, make sure your calculator is giving you angles, as in degrees and not radians.